Chicago, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we are parked at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Cell phones may not be used, however, laptop computers and other large electronics must remain stowed. Once we arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury from articles that may have shifted during landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claim, a Frontier customer service representative will meet this flight upon arrival and is happy to assist you. For those customers needing special assistance, such as a wheelchair, we kindly ask that you remain seated until the majority of the customers exit the aircraft. For those customers visiting Chicago, we wish you a pleasant stay. For those who live in the Chicago area, welcome home. On behalf of your crew and everyone on Team Frontier, thanks for traveling with us today. Please be sure to visit flyfrontier.com next time you plan to fly to get our lowest fare done right. Thank you and enjoy your day.